Good evening, guys. This is Jinx. Welcome to my channel. So, you're looking at my entire execution blotter. So, I did incur few losses because I wasn't sure what I'm doing, what I'm getting into. I got into some random stock called Wildcat, and I didn't know what to do, and I got into a loss. And this is the first time I traded foreign exchange, and I didn't know what I was doing, and I incurred a loss. But after that, my goal has been strictly to go green, and like I used to take pretty high risk and not worry about what's happening. So that's another reason I incurred a loss. These days I'm more actively monitoring the chart. um, I don't just look at like 5 minutes or 1 minute, or I look at everything from 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 1 day, 15 days, whatever, 1 month. So I just have a proper understanding before it goes. I really enjoyed trading NXN, New Zealand and Mexican peso. Um, this particular one goes, I did a mistake where it already went to the peak and I tried to take profit. I thought it would go higher, but I've been seeing it for a few days now. It goes up one particular time in the day and it comes down again. So I would be doing more of those. And this month is not about earning profits at all, even though I did some random profit. This was a bigger profit. But the goal is to keep green. Yeah, you need to have set yourself some individual goal, and the goal is to stay green. Like, I'm not trying to do this to earn money, I already work, but this is mainly to keep your account green. And you need to have screen time, and I'm exposing myself to the stock market. That's what is happening this month. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.